Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a spray deodorant. I couldn't find any pictures of how they had the old deodorant, but I think it may have been Right Guard or something of that nature that I used. Well, anyway, I was maybe 8, 9 years old. Just loved to play outside. I'd play outside. We call them cornrows. You get them up under your neck and the creases, and I'd wear shorts and no shirt. No shoes. Nothing more I love than being outside. Well, we'd work, get just as sweaty and hot, play in the dirt. It didn't matter. Well, one thing my mama kept an eye on me was to make sure I scrubbed. So she'd run the water, I'd take my bath, and I'd let it out. Well, I had some peculiar itching going on in certain private areas. Well, I didn't want my mama to have to take a look at me, and I described to her what it looked like. Well, she determined I had red bugs or chiggers. I don't know if they're the same thing, if they're two different things, but we call them red bugs here, and they itch. It's the kind of itch that you'd want to take a wire brush to. That's how bad it itches, and that's how bad they had me going. And there's all other kind of ways out there now. Put a little bleach in your bath water, all that. But then, didn't know that. My mama got the underarm spray for me. She told me to spray it on there. Well, I weren't too careful about my spraying and where all it hit. Well, I slathered it on there. Well, all of a sudden it got to cooking. It got hot. It got real hot. So I'm running through the house. I'm naked. I think I invented streaking. But I was trying to get some airflow because I was burning up. I'd already let the water out of the tub. So my mom was chasing after me because she thinks I'm just being silly running around. And finally I told her, I said, Mom, I'm burning up. So she got me back in the tub and got the cold water on. And I soaked off with that. I checked to make sure that the fire was out. I didn't want nothing smoldering. Oh, but it killed the red bugs. It did get rid of them, but I would not go through that again to have to get rid of those red bugs. And from then on, I was careful about how I played in dirt. Never got red bugs again because I never wanted to go through that again. I didn't know if there was another way to get rid of them, but I sure didn't want to have to spray myself again to get rid of those red bugs. And I had about everything else, but never had red bugs again. I don't know. Maybe the deodorant kept them away. Oh, man. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.